Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of multi-vendor mass product edit for the Magento 2 platform. And in today's video tutorial, we'll be showing you how the admin can allow the mass product edit feature at the marketplace seller panel, and how the sellers can update the value of product attributes of multiple products in a go. And apart from that, we'll also be showing you how the sellers can update the status of all the selected products at one time. And lastly, we'll also show how the price of the products can be updated in bulk as well. So let's get ahead and let's see how this particular multi-vendor mass product edit for Magento 2 platform works. So for that, what I'll be doing is I'll be first showing you the configuration settings that need to be done before making use of this particular plugin. So the initial configuration is done at the admin's end first. So for that, let me take you to the backend panel first. So here I'm at the Magento 2 web store backend panel. So I'll be logging into my admin panel by tapping in the sign in button first. And now we need to navigate through stores and configuration. And on the configuration, under the web code block, we have the marketplace mass product edit submenu option. And for it, we have the general setting for the module. So here we can enable the module by choosing a yes for it. Otherwise, if we want to disable this particular functionality of the mass product update for the sellers, then we can choose this option as a no. So for making use, we'll choose this option as a yes, and we'll tap the save configuration button thereafter. So we have saved the particular configuration for the marketplace multi-vendor marketplace product edit plugin, the general settings for the module. And now let me take you to the web store front end, and I'll be logging in as a seller. And thereafter, what I'll be doing is I'll be showing you how to bulk edit the products, and how to update the attributes for the selected products, and how to process the update request from the admin's end. And lastly, I'll be showing you how to what we say as update the status of the products in mass, and how to update the price of the products in bulk. So for that, let me take you to the front end now. So I've logged in as a seller right now, and on the left hand side you can see the seller block is there, having the marketplace options. So I'll go to the my product list section by tapping the my product list menu option here. So I've opened the marketplace product list for the seller. So we are on the my product list page right now, and here we have the products for this particular seller. So first of all, let me show you how we can edit the products in bulk. So for that, what we can do is we can select multiple products at the same time by checking the check boxes that we can see here on the left hand side of the products. And after that, what we need to do is to edit the products in bulk, we need to tap the update products button here. And after that, we need to tap the OK button on the pop-up. And thereafter, we'll see this particular update attribute section would appear. And here we have small check boxes for each of the product attributes, as you can see. So to change the name of the products, we can tap on the checkbox for the change. So whichever product attribute you want to change for the selected products, you need to check that up, and you need to enter the particular changed name or the description, or whatever option that you have selected, you can change that up. And lastly, you can tap the save button here to update the product attributes in bulk for the selected products. So that was how we can edit the products in bulk. Now let me take you back to the my product list section for the seller. So after we have edited the after we have made the changes, the sellers need to tap on the save button here, and after tapping the save button, the products are updated. But what that does is that it generates a request, and that request is added to the queue, and would be processed when the cron is set by the admin. And whenever that cron runs, at that time the updated values are set up for the product that we had selected to be edited in bulk. So now let me take you back to the my product list. So now I'll tell you how to process the request queue. So after the update of the products, after the seller has edited the products, the chosen products, and made the changes within the product attributes, uh, the request gets uploaded and is added to the queue. Now what the admin needs to do is that the admin can run the below commands that you can see here, the first, second, and the third command. And to run the commands, it's a must to install the cron first. So if the cron is installed, so at the set time these three commands must be run. And what they do is the messages that have been added to the queue for the mass product edit, they are run, and what it does is that it updates the selected product, so with the changes that have been made within the product attributes for the chosen products. So now let me show you how we can update or how we can basically update the product status in mass. So for example, the status for the products is enabled and disabled. So now the marketplace sellers can update the product's status, and it can be done in bulk. So for example, we have these two products here whose status is enabled right now, and what I can do is to mass update the product status, I can enable or disable this as required. So they were enabled, we'll select the disabled option, and we need to tap on the update status button here, and it brings up this particular pop-up for confirmation. We need to tap OK on that, and this would update the product status for the selected product. So here you can see now that both of the product status have been disabled right now. And similarly, if you want to change the price of the products in mass, what you need to do is you need to select the products first, and here we can see that both of the products are for $50 and $36. So to update the price, what we can do is the seller needs to tap here on the drop down option, and the seller can change the fixed price of the product, or can increase or decrease the product's price, or can increase by the percentage or decrease by percentage. So we'll be showing you how to do it with the fixed product with the fixed price of the product. So we'll tap on the fixed one, and we have chosen two products. Now we need to tap on the update price button. Then on the confirmation dialog box, we need to tap on the OK button, and this would bring up the section where we can update the price of the products in bulk. So we had chosen two products there. Now let's set the price to $80, and we need to tap on the save button thereafter. So now we can see that the price has been updated, and we can see this particular message being displayed as well. And the two products for which we had tried to change the price, you can see that the price has been changed to $80 now. So that was much about the multi-vendor mass product edit for the Magento 2 platform, and we showed you how the admin can enable this particular functionality that allows the marketplace sellers to edit their products, and the sellers can now update the value of the product attributes of multiple products in one go. So they can choose the multiple products and can update their attributes at the same time. And apart from that, the sellers can also update the status of their products to enabled or disabled in mass. And lastly, we also showed you how the price of the products can be updated in bulk, and how we can set the price that is needed to be set for the selected products in mass. So that was much about this multi-vendor mass product edit for Magento 2, and I hope this video helped you out. And if you have any questions or queries regarding this particular plugin, then you can always get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you may raise a ticket at webcool.uvidesk.com. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day ahead.